Hi, welcome to Bruce's Garage. I'm Bruce, and this is my garage. We are going to have a colorfully fun time today. I promise you, because I'm testing out Innovacar's S2 colored snow foams. That's right, the first time. I don't think there's any other colored foams available within the United States. I've been watching this stuff, all different vendors all over the world, but not in the US. And finally, thanks to Innovacar and the House of Rags, we now have colored foam. So if you want to see, is it just about fun, or is there some practical use? Well, I'm going to share some tips that I figured out when I used it for the first time. So come on in and let's have a colorfully fun time. So why am I all excited about these colored snow foams? Well, first of all, it's fun. Okay, I love the foam, and foam is fun. And colored snow foam is even more fun than plain old white snow foam. Now, if you're going to be one of those people that's going to tell me, look, Bruce, foaming the vehicle has a purpose. It's not about fun. It's about, did it clean? How well does it rinse and all that stuff? Maybe you just go watch something else today. Really, because this is about fun. And I've been wanting to try a colored snow foam ever since I saw some of those on YouTube. It just looked like fun. And of course, it looked like it'd be great on video rather than just another white snow foam. And indeed, I can tell you it was. I'm going to show you in a minute. But first, we're going to talk a little bit about Innovacar and about this product and maybe just what makes it a little bit different, even beyond the colored foams. So Innovacar just dropped at the House of Rags, and these products are made in Italy, and they have a whole line of products. I just bought these 3 snow foams right away because, again, they were colored snow foams that I absolutely just wanted to try. So the cool thing is they come in 3 different colors. You have foamy green, foamy pink, and foamy blue. So whatever your fancy is, go for it. They each have a unique fragrance. So foamy green is a fresh forest fragrance. Foamy pink, sweet watermelon. And foamy blue is flower explosion. I can tell you after using them, they did have very strong fragrance. So a couple things that also I think are unique about Innovacar and about these snow foams: they're biodegradable. They don't have, they have enzymes in them to help with cleaning, as well as plant-based surfactants. They are also pH neutral. They're around a pH of 6 before it's mixed. These are pretty intense and concentrated colors inside of these bottles. So a couple points of caution. Number 1, don't get it on your clothing. I imagine it would stain. Number 2, wear gloves. I imagine it might be hard to get off your hands. So if you think of like food coloring and you get that on your hands, that's hard to scrub off. So wear gloves when you're using this stuff. Not as much about protecting yourself from a safety perspective, but you don't want to get stains on your hands. So let me just get right into it and let you enjoy the color explosion, and then I'll give you my final reaction to it. hope you enjoyed the color explosion that you just got to witness. It was a whole lot of fun. In fact, several people were walking down the street, and for the first time, I turned some heads. And I'm always out washing or doing something. I'm not sure if it was because I had cameras recording, but I usually do. If it was because it was 40 degrees outside, maybe. Or was it because I had these really cool colors on my car? I think it was that. We're going to go with that. So here's my reaction. Number one, it was super easy to work with, really strong fragrance. Now, is it only just about fun? Well, no, it's not. Because I read in the material that it said, make sure you're rinsing till you don't see any more colored foam. And part of the benefit of colored foam is that you can tell when you're done rinsing. And I thought, yeah, that kind of gimmicky, right? It's true. So here's what I found, was that I rinsed a lot longer than what I normally did. It rinsed super well, was really smooth on the rinse. It went on really well, went on really thick, smelled great, and it was super slick. So that's what I can tell you about it. I think, look, if you want to have a little bit different time and a little more fun, you got to check these out. Pick, you don't have to be a goofball like me and get all three colors unless you want to have a really good time. But I really enjoyed it. I think it just adds another dimension. And I am all about having fun in your garage and enjoying what you're doing. And if a colored snow foam helps you do that, go for it. If not, that's okay too. But I really did enjoy it. In fact, I would tell you, I think I enjoyed it more than I thought I would. Remember to wear gloves. Remember not to get it on your clothing. So check those out at the House of Rags. I have got the links below. Don't forget, you can use coupon code Bruce's Garage to save some bucks there. And really just remember that detailing, is about having fun and having a great looking car. And you can do that even better now with these colored snow foams. So thanks for coming into my garage today and having fun with me. I hope you have a great day.